We are starting the demo video for our sensor trainer kit, in which we have three setups. One is our cantilever, the strain gauge setup. Other is our setup having multiple sensors: load cell, RTD, thermocouple, smoke and speed. The other setup which we are going to use will be our LVDT setup. In this setup, this is our main sensor, and we are going to see the output in in here. So first we will be using the strain gauge. For that, these connections are very simple. We have to just connect the bridge connectors AB to X and Y, and our TP8 and TP9 to our meter. So the strain gauge formula is very simple. The applied weight approximately twice will be our value. So for 50 grams it is 116. For 100 grams it is 235, and so on. You have test points here from where you can check the intermediate values of the setup. Now coming to the load cell, I have connected my load cell, and as soon as I place it here, the output will come on the display. It is showing as 150 grams. The value exact can be changed through the pot. Now coming to our temperature, this is the output of my thermocouple. That is actually 17 degree, but this is the meter. So as soon as I hold it, first we'll have to connect the sensor to this point. Thermocouple has to be connected to the input, and this is right now showing us 35 degrees Celsius. And as soon as you switch it to RTD, it is showing the temperature output from this sensor. As you can see, as soon as I grip the sensor, the temperature is starting to moving upwards. So right now we have a little bit smoke here, that's why our sensor is on. And as soon as I turn it on, and our smoke sensor is this one. From this we can control the buzzer. For speed measurement, the RPM will be seen here. The connections are internal, and this is our Hall effect sensor. This is our potentiometer to vary the speed of the motor, and the RPM can be seen here. Now as I decrease, you can see that speed of the motor is changing, and the similar output RPM can be seen on the display. Now coming to LVDT. In LVDT there are three connections: 1 to yellow to yellow, red to red, and meters to meter. Then what you have to do is the black goes to the negative terminal, the red goes to the red terminal, yellow to yellow, and red to red. These are the only connections. Now we have adjusted the 0 and span as per the scale of 0 to 20. So at 10 we are getting 0. Now at 20, I will set the span to, this is dot 20, and I'll set from span to 10. You have to tread it very lightly like this. The pot of the span is highly sensitive. Please move it like this, just slight feather touch. Okay, so now this is 10. So this is from 10 to 20, there is plus 10 mm movement, right? So now we are coming back to 5. So at 5 you can see it is 0.003 mm, and the 0 for 0 we'll adjust through 0 pot. Now we'll go again back to 10 to 20. Now that comes at exactly 10.0102. You can set it from here. This is the LVDT.